Welcome to Syllabus Overview. This is where I am going to cover everything that I am going to teach you in this course. I have broken down my training in various modules with different topics like various terminologies used in IIQ. So in this we will go through different technical buzzwords like what is access request, access review, work item, aggregation, etc. Environment setup. In this topic we will download all the required software. IIQ installation. We will do the installation in Microsoft Windows operating system and Linux operating system. Patching. After installation, we will patch the installed IIQ with latest patch. Backup of installation. After the installation, we will take the backup. Onboarding of authoritative app. We will onboard 3 different authoritative app in this course. Configuration of IIQ. After onboarding the authoritative application, we will configure the IIQ. User interface configuration. In this, we will populate user attribute in identity cube. Onboarding of non-authoritative application. We will onboard various type of non-authoritative application like delimited one, JDBC, Salesforce and many more. Rules. In this section, we will understand about various types of rule. Now, filter. In this section, we will learn about filters. Uncorrelated identities and account. In this section, we will learn about that how could we find uncorrelated identities and how could we fix them. Extended and account attributes. We will also learn about these different types of attribute like extended attribute, account attribute and standard attributes. Groups, population and work groups. We will discuss about groups, population and work groups and difference between them. We will also learn about policies, forms, how could we create quick links, SSB and about audits. And apart from these topics, we will also learn about reports, risk score, certification and its type, role, task and also custom task, custom connectors, integration config, workflows, LCM, events and yes, of course, some quiz handouts, homeworks and many more topics. So I'm going to cover all these topics. Now ask yourself just one question. Is that the right course to start learn IIQ? Then of course answer is yes.